Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning series. In today's video, I want to tell you about something very special to me, my family. Family is an important part of my life, and I'm excited to share a little about each member with you. I hope this helps you practice your English listening and speaking skills. Listen carefully. My family is small, but full of love. There are 5 of us: my father, my mother, my brother Albert, my sister Alina, and of course, me. Let me start by telling you about my father. My father is a teacher. He teaches at a local school and is very passionate about education. He loves helping students learn new things. Every day, he wakes up early to prepare for his classes and goes to school with a smile. My father has always encouraged me to study hard and be curious about the world around me. My mother is a housewife, and she works just as hard as my father. She takes care of all of us and keeps our home running smoothly. She cooks delicious meals, keeps the house clean, and always has time to listen to us when we need her. My mother is kind and caring, and I feel lucky to have her. Now, let me tell you about my brother, Albert. He's younger than me and is in class 6. Albert is very playful and full of energy. He loves playing sports, especially football, and he's also very good at math. Sometimes he asks me for help with his homework, and I'm always happy to help him. My sister, Alina, is in class 9. She is very focused on her studies and wants to be a doctor someday. Alina is serious about her education, but she also enjoys drawing and painting in her free time. We're very close, and we love spending time together, talking about school and sharing stories. As a family, we love spending time together. On weekends, we often go for walks in the park or watch movies at home. My mother makes popcorn, and we all sit together, laughing and having fun. These moments are very special to me. Family is so important because they are the people who love and support you no matter what. My family is always there for me, helping me when I need it and celebrating my successes. I feel so grateful to have them in my life. Now, let's learn some new words and expressions from the story. Passionate. Passionate means having or showing strong feelings or enthusiasm. Example: my father is passionate about teaching, and he loves helping his students learn. Encourage. Encourage means to give support, confidence, or hope to someone. Example: my parents always encourage me to do my best in school. Caring. Caring means showing kindness and concern for others. Example: my mother is very caring. She always listens to me when I need to talk. Playful. Playful means full of fun and high spirits. Example: my brother Albert is very playful. He loves running around and playing football. Focused. Focused means concentrated on a specific task or goal. Example: my sister Alina is very focused on her studies because she wants to become a doctor. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about my family. It's a great way to practice your English while talking about something personal and meaningful. Remember, family can be a great topic to talk about when you're practicing English, because it helps you share your experiences and emotions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, and take care.